it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
What you guys doing? Yeah. Go home, protect me, protect me. Hey, careful. Oh, biting, King. Yeah. Good boy. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. Today we're gonna be working on the RX8. Finally starting the RX8 build series. The car that's also gonna be our giveaway car for the future, if you guys didn't know. So there's a main reason why I picked up this RX8. Super clean, rust-free, and low kilometers. It was to build it up in the KMR fashion and to do a giveaway on it. Like all of the other car giveaways you see, except, of course, coming out of the KMR gallery, it's gonna definitely be unique. Starting it off in the new garage, and it's a full house, as you can see. Got Humberto, Stay Cool window tints, working on Shane's MDX. When we free up some space in here, I'm gonna head over to the old garage and pick up our RX8. Let's get today started. I saw that, dude. Bruh. What do you have to say for yourself? Shame, shame. I can never hit a dog. I've actually never disciplined Gohan ever. I'm just like, you'll try better next time. Oh, gross, man. This stinks. It smells like human. Let me give you guys both water. Hey, get out of here. What the heck, dudes? There we go. Sure. Some progress. How's it going, Humberto?
Hey, how are you?
Pretty good. So if you guys didn't know, Humberto is actually the same guy who did the window tints on my FRS like 4 or 5 years ago. He's back. Now these guys go through the effort of actually taking the windows out. Super quick install. That took them like 15 minutes maybe. What the? What the heck? Okay, this guy wanted to go downstairs. Wants his friend to come with. Release. What the heck, dude? Definitely a lot more room down here.
I need the customer signature right here.
Are you from Japanese?
Filipino. But remember you came to my house and my mom offered you spaghetti once?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
That was a long time ago.
Okay, well, if it's closer for you, I have in my house garage, I have a heater and everything set up for 50.
Oh, we can just bring it there.
Thank you, bro.
Thanks. Yo, that was fast. Yeah, and they even took the window out. What the heck? Let's roll the windows down. Shout out to Humberto. You guys are fast. Also, guys, we got our HVAC system. So this is what's gonna make us a legal service shop. Well, not so much me, but these guys. Yeah, this costs an arm and a leg. Those of you who know. But this is also so we can keep cars running in here and not die from fumes. We're gonna quickly go and try to grab the RX8 from the other garage. But it's running Gutu's old all seasons. I don't really trust it. So before it gets any worse weather-wise, let's just go pick it up now. And you're gonna need this just in case. Ooh. Yeah, dudes, this came out of nowhere. Well, actually, no, it was expected. We were having like a good 2 weeks of December. No snow. Okay. Yo, can I roll the windows down?
Yeah.
Wait, you decided to go to Timmy's and you can't even roll your window down, you fool.
That's why you're gonna get in the back.
Okay. Wait, what? Yeah, true. Well, because.
Sakrish.
That's how you say thank you in Indian. Hi, I'd like one McDouble, quarter pounder meal. Oh, yo, roll your window now.
Satish? No, I'm just your Uber driver.
What? Morning.
Hey, it's you.
I have.
How are you?
I'm good. I have a driver
four
today.
Candy can, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
See you again.
Yeah, see you. Have a good day. Got our sustenance. Off to the garage. RX8 keys. See if this thing even runs. Now I have one too. Take your pick. Take your. I'll go with coconut. There she is. It's been a minute, man. Let's see. Oh, door's frozen shut. All right, sign of power. Come on, buddy. Ooh, the battery doesn't like that. One more. All right, charge.
Yeah.
All right.
Does it tell you how many it can?
Bro. All right, let me at her. Hell yeah, I'm a Pika. That is rough though. Yep. Dude, it's really like that, man. Give it a bit. You're right, dude. This is on the verge. Damn, I forgot my ice scraper at home. Do I have any useless cards in here? Yes, I do. Well, not useless, but Future Shop doesn't exist anymore, so it's gonna take forever. Woo! Good enough. Should have had the heat going in this. But I had AC, what the fuck? Drive slow, homies. And I got Shane following me into MDX, just in case. All right. What I learned was 1 rev before you turn this guy off. We're good. Made it back in one piece. Dude, this was drifting everywhere. Awesome. You guys want to see what we're installing on this today? Ow! Actually, Eddie, you want to help me out here? Man, it's auto. Or wait, there's got to be a. Oh, I forgot it was suicide doors. There it is, guys. It's like barely used, maybe 1 season. This is a Gretty exhaust. Let's get this RX8 on the lift. A heaven sent lift. Good call. Eddie pointed out that we forgot to do a sound test with the stock exhaust. Always got to do that. And the RX8's already warmed up, so should be okay. Thanks, Ed. Since this isn't installed yet, we gotta go like this. And as for the lowering springs, just going with these Megan Racing ones. For now, until I can afford some nice coilovers. May end up going with BC Racing coils just to match the theme, black and yellow. Or teens, because go for green, and teens pretty reputable, so. Alright, so underneath, pretty basic. It's actually gonna be probably easier than the M3 we did the other day. But Eddie has loosened up the bolts here. There's 2 right here. And actually, that's being replaced with this one. If we really wanted, we don't even have to take out this part. We can just do the back end, the exhaust muffler, but it's okay. This was pretty like caked on with grime, so hoping we can get that off. Chill shop, Dougie. I think this guy's getting used to the new place. So chill. You have to get away from the little one. Old one is out.
That's it? It just clips in like that?
Subarus have that too, but for like their front fenders.
Really?
Easy.
These are the reservations for them.
Yeah.
Nice and tight.
Right, exhaust is on. It is the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's do our sound test. You know what? Let's open this first. All right, homie.
Here's the rest of the exhaust. It sounds
Yeah, not like a crazy difference, but so much better. And it looks better too. Yeah, I think what would change it up is if we got headers, maybe an intake. But we'll save that for later. It's looking good. Thanks, Ed. Appreciate. Thanks, Angus, for the help.
welcome, welcome.
And also, thank you, Lyft. Maybe give you guys a preview of what it sounds like outside. That sounds good, actually. Quickly gonna go check up on Gohan. Oh, he was sleeping in the washroom. Hi, Gohan. Hi, Papa. You ready to go home? Yeah. Yeah. You're so patient. Thanks, homie. Yeah. Yeah. Aww. You ready to go? Alright, homie. Come on, come on. Alright, guys. I think we're gonna end this video a little early, just because I also have to edit it, and yeah. We're running out of time. Well, in 2020 anyway. But honestly, if we get used to this kind of rhetoric, change my life schedule around this YouTube thing, then maybe, just maybe, we can actually make this work. Anyways, appreciate you guys for watching this video. Sorry I'm ending it short, but at least we got started on the RX8 build, and now, just waiting on a few more parts. And actually, let me show you guys a small sneak preview of the wheels we got for this thing. That's all you're gonna get. This is gonna look so different in the next few weeks. You guys are gonna have to stay tuned. Appreciate you guys for watching, and if you wanna get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, make sure you subscribe, drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Peace.
생각은 통전이란 같아서 뒤집어 생각하란 말이야